In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause time tracking in Hubstaff, a skill that can be incredibly useful for those moments when you need to temporarily step away from work or take a well-deserved break. Hubstaff is a robust tool for managing time and productivity, and knowing how to maneuver its settings efficiently can make your workday smoother and more flexible. Let's dive into the process of pausing your time tracking with ease. First, let's start by opening up your Hubstaff application. You'll notice the time icon prominently positioned within the interface, usually toward the top. This icon is a central feature in Hubstaff, acting as your gateway to all things related to time tracking. Simply click on this time icon. By doing so, you'll access a menu that presents various time management options tailored to your current session. Once you have clicked the time icon, your attention should then shift to the coffee icon, which might also be referred to as the break icon. This symbol represents the pause feature, drawing a parallel to those moments when you sip a cup of coffee and take a moment to relax. It's there to ensure that you can temporarily halt your time tracking without fully logging out or losing any data related to your ongoing tasks. A simple click on this coffee or break icon is all that's needed to pause the clock, effectively putting your tracked time on hold while you step away to recharge. Pausing your time can be incredibly useful when you need to attend to spontaneous matters, or if you just wish to take a short break. It helps maintain accurate records of active work time versus downtime, ensuring that your productivity reports remain precise and reflective of actual work completed. Meanwhile, the intuitive design of Hubstaff makes it simple to resume tracking when you return. Once you're back and ready to dive into work again, you just revisit the same icons, click to unpause, and your time will resume being tracked seamlessly. Here's a tip to remember. Get into the habit of using this feature, especially if you're working remotely or have a flexible schedule. Mastering these small but crucial functionalities can greatly improve your time management effectiveness and provide a clearer picture of how your working hours are distributed. In summary, by clicking the time icon and then the coffee icon on Hubstaff, you can effortlessly pause your time tracking whenever you need that quick intermission. This feature not only allows for better management of your workflow, but also supports a healthier work-life balance by ensuring that your breaks are accounted for within your productivity metrics. So, take charge of your time consciously and let Hubstaff help you track your work more efficiently. Enjoy those well-deserved breaks, knowing your tracked data will remain precise and comprehensive. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking.